This is a slightly harder question to do with expanding two linear brackets. A circle has a radius of x centimeters and has a smaller circle of x minus 4 centimeters cut out of it. Find the value of x if the shaded area is 48 pi centimeters squared. So what we've got here is a circle. Its radius is x, the larger circle, and then the radius of the smaller circle is x minus 4. Now the area is written as 48 pi. Pi, you shouldn't be put off, is a number, it's a constant, about 3.14, but we're going to leave it as 48 pi, and modern calculators, you can actually write that in as 48 pi. Now the area of a circle we know to be pi r squared, so the area of the larger circle will be pi times the radius squared, which is pi times x squared. The area of the smaller circle, this time the radius is x minus 4, will be pi x minus 4 all squared. Now we know that the shaded area will be the area of the larger circle minus the area of the smaller circle, and we know that to be equal to 48 pi. So we can say that pi x squared minus pi brackets x minus 4 all squared is equal to 48 pi. So we're going to need to expand this. So we've got pi x squared minus pi, and then we're going to do x minus 4 all squared means x minus 4 times x minus 4. It doesn't mean x squared minus 16. Alright, so we've got to square all of this, so we'll do x times the same bracket, which is x minus 4, minus 4 times the same bracket, which is x minus 4, and that's equal to 48 pi. We can do extra bracket there. So that gives me pi x squared minus pi, expanding x times x, which is x squared, x times minus 4, which is minus 4x, minus 4 times x is 4 minus 4x, and minus 4 times minus 4 is plus 16. It's still equal to 48 pi. Collecting together the like terms here, we're going to have pi x squared minus pi x squared minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 4x is minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 48 pi. Taking that over to the next page. So we're going to multiply this bracket here by pi, minus pi. So we got pi x squared minus pi x squared, minus times a minus will make plus 8 pi x, and a minus times plus 16 is minus 16 pi, and that's still equal to 48 pi. Now we've got pi x squared minus pi x squared, they cancel each other out. If we just treat this as one thing, then minus 16 pi, the opposite is to add 16 pi to both sides. So here we're just going to get 8 pi x, and on this side we've still got, we've now got 64 pi. 48 pi plus 16 pi is 64 pi. Now dividing both sides by 8 pi, we're going to get that x is going to be equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, so it's a slightly more difficult question, but it can still be done. We just need to treat pi as a constant. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the value of x when you're given the radius of the larger circle minus the area of the smaller circle cut out from it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.